हेलो, सुनाई देता है? जिमित, कैन यू हियर मी? कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
अच्छा, अभी तेरा आवाज आया है।
मैं भी सीख रहा हूँ सर, पहली बार स्टार्ट किया है।
ठीक है, सीखो सीखो। हाय परेश। हाय। हाय। अरे प्रिया। हाय।
Sir, after a long time.
यस, किधर है निखिल? तेरा आवाज। हाँ, हाय।
Hi sir. Hi Jimit.
Sir, good evening.
गुड इवनिंग
Hi
अमी।
Ami.
कैसे बेटा?
बस ठीक हो sir.
नाइस सीइंग यू ऑल गाइस। हाय निश्चल।
Nice seeing you, sir. Hi Nikhil. Hi
Hello.
Jimit.
I am fine. Oh, Paresh. ये फर्स्ट टाइम है मेरा भी सर जूम पे।
क्या बात है?
जूम पे
सर का
first
एक
time
भी
है, sir।
मीटिंग अटेंड नहीं किया लगता है निखिल तूने।
अरे नहीं यार, कैसे मेरे को टाइम का मिल जाए।
डॉक्टर जोशी किधर है? हाय हर्षित।
हेलो
हेलो, हाय हर्षित।
सर, गुड इवनिंग।
स्क्रीन नीचे करो, फेस दिखता नहीं है।
Sir, good evening, sir.
हाय, गुड इवनिंग।
Good evening, sir.
Sir,
हाय चांदनी, गुड इवनिंग।
good evening, sir.
Pradeep.
Good evening to everyone.
अरे
Hi,
गुड
sir.
गुड
इवनिंग।
इवनिंग टू एवरीवन।
हाय शशांक।
Hi everybody.
Good evening, sir.
हेडफोन
बोला?
लगा के।
अरे I'm got fed up of this here. मैं तो पक गया पक।
रोशनी त्याला घे ना.
Shashank sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening. How are you, Hashpreet?
Fine, sir. How are you, sir?
जोरदार।
Good evening, sir.
Sir, आप
Good
तो
evening,
बहुत
sir.
ready रहोगे, sir.
गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल।
जामनगर कैसा है?
हाँ सर, एकदम एकदम ठीक है सर।
एकदम ठीक ठाक। गुड।
एकदम ठीक सर।
हेलो
ये सुनील किधर है तू? प्रदीप कसा है रे तू? Are you
हाँ सर,
working?
मजेत आहे.
ये
हाँ सर,
प्रदीप,
वर्किंग
तेरा
आहे.
हाल कम हो गया रे।
सर ते काढले, ते मास्क घालावा लागतो ना, गरमी होते.
अच्छा।
प्रोटेक्टिव मेजर।
Pradeep has to have a reason for everything. Hey, Jimit, how are you?
Fine, sir. एकदम बढ़िया.
जिमित ने देख बैकग्राउंड भी सो जोरदार किया है. Look at Jimit here.
हाँ,
ये कहाँ से बनाया रे जिमित, ये बैकग्राउंड ऐसा?
How did you do
Sir,
it?
वो virtual
Photoshop.
to go to that option of virtual.
सर मैं ग्रुप में डालता हूँ.
Ami, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Oh,
How
good
are you,
evening.
sir?
ए निश्चल कैसा है? निश्चल एकदम देवदास बन गया है, दाढ़ी वाड़ी बढ़ाया.
आपकी दुआ सर।
लॉकडाउन के
Good evening, sir.
Ina, how are you?
I am fine, sir. How are you, sir?
I am good. Jamnagar Baddu, Ambani is sitting there. I am told.
एकदम। Yes, sir. Till the lockdown is there, everything is safe here. Lockdown खुलने के बाद प्रॉब्लम चालू होगा।
निखिल कैसा है?
हेलो,
केम छो पीयूष भाई?
बस एकदम फाइन. हाउ आर यू?
हाय।
हाय सर, कैसे हो सर?
फर्स्ट क्लास,
fine,
नाइस
sir.
सीइंग यू।
या
अरे यश भी आ गया। अरे सूरत का कोरम कंप्लीट है।
हाँ सर, सूरत के कंप्लीट।
गुजरात से सर फुल अटेंडेंस है।
मुंबई भी कंप्लीट है सर।
Yes, yes.
उसको प्रॉब्लम
राहुल किधर है? राहुल राहुल चांदनी, आई कांट सी चांदनी एंड यश।
Good evening, sir. Good evening, Kushik sir.
How are you, Chandni?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
I'm fine. Where is Rahul? Hey, Priya. Priya, how are you? You are in Singapore?
I'm fine. Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Sanit, how are you?
I'm very fine, sir. Thank you. How are
Paresh. Paresh, how are you?
गुड सर, थँक यू.
Hey, Rahul कुठे आहे? Rahul? I can't see Rahul. आणि सुनील, सुनील कुठे होता? मगाशी होता मुलाबरोबर. ए सुनील,
सुनील है सर।
सुनील है क्या? देखा उसको, बाद में गायब हो गया।
Yes, sir.
ये
नहीं,
तेजस,
he's there.
तेजस और पल्लवी तो को देखना मांगता
जस्ट
है।
सब नहीं दिख रहे हैं सर।
फोटो नहीं आ रहा है।
तेजस, तुम लोग क्या पर्दे के पीछे है क्या?
कितने जन का स्क्रीन पे आ सकता है?
सर काफी लोग आ सकते
Maximum
हैं।
सर
Screen पे
लैपटॉप पे
4
होगा
जन आ
तो
सकते हैं।
25-30 लोग आ जाएंगे।
हाँ, तेजस आ गया। हाय तेजस।
तेजस आ गया, पल्लवी भी आ गई,
मतलब भी हाय।
Hi, sir.
यश आ गया।
हाय।
Hi, sir.
सुनीता हाय।
हेलो हाय
एंड हर्षप्रीत आ गया।
सर मैं इधर ही हूँ सर।
सरदार
सर
cannot
गुजरात
be
का
missed
पूरा
out.
अटेंडेंस है।
Yes.
हाँ सर।
जोशी सर, गुजरात सूरत पूरा अटेंडेंस है।
अरे वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ।
अरे सूरत में कोरोना भाग गया।
ऐसा ही बोलना पड़ेगा मेरे को।
तो तेरी प्यारी प्यारी सूरत से कोरोना की नजर नहीं लगी।
वाह सही था मैम, वाह।
Capturing everything. Zoom will start capturing everything that's displayed on screen. हेलो.
आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम सबके चेहरे से एकदम हंसते हंसते दिख रहा है। अच्छा लग रहा है सर।
हाँ।
सब लोग
तेरा
फॉर्म में
पहला
निखिल।
जूम है ना, ऐसे भी निखिल।
पहला जूम है।
सर पहले कभी किया नहीं सर, बच्ची के पढ़ के कभी
सर
किया
आप उसको डांटो, उसने एक भी वेबिनार अटेंड नहीं किया है।
अरे आई कांग्रेचुलेट यू, देयर इज टॉक्सिसिटी ऑफ वेबिनार। ओके, वेब टॉक्सिसिटी हो गया।
कोरोना से डरने लगता, वेबिनार से लग रहा है सर।
वेबिनार से लगता है।
लिंक्डइन पे मैंने एक किया है, देयर इज वन स्केलेटन व्हिच आई हैव शोन, फेड अप ऑफ।
जिमी भाई स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा है. हेलो.
सर तेजस सर की भी स्क्रीन नहीं है सर।
नहीं आती जाती
सर
है।
स्क्रीन नहीं है.
नहीं वो आई थिंक आते जाते
कम्स एंड
वो
गोस।
नेटवर्क
नेटवर्क 5G होना मांगता है, 5G।
हाँ। माउंट एवरेस्ट पे जाना पड़ेगा सर, चाइना ने चालू कर दिया है वहाँ पे 5G।
सर गुड इवनिंग।
और कौन?
तेजस है ना?
सर इसमें एक टाइम में एक को बोलना पड़ता है क्या?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है।
नहीं नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं।
The person who
speaks, the screen becomes prominent.
अच्छा ऐसा है क्या?
So now you are speaking, so everybody can see you. If I am speaking, everybody can see me at the center. On the right hand side, you can see at least 4 people.
But I can see everybody.
I can see. I don't know. Sir, I can see.
नहीं सर, आप लैपटॉप पे होंगे इसलिए।
अंदर लैपटॉप. अंदर लैपटॉप.
लैपटॉप।
इधर गया सब लोग।
I can see Harshpreet. I can see Tejas. I can see Dr. Joshi. I can see Dr. Sunil.
Go to the gallery view, you can see everybody.
थोड़े हाँ सर, गैलरी व्यू करेंगे तो पर वो लैपटॉप में आता है सर।
हाँ मेरा लैपटॉप में आ रहा है, गैलरी व्यू में सब दिख रहे हैं।
Right.
Gallery view में you can see everyone.
प्रिया अभी सिंगापुर में कितना बजा है? रात को 12 बजा रहेगा ना?
11:30.
आणि हाउ इज सिंगापुर हँडलिंग कोविड?
There are many cases because of this dormitory.
अच्छा अच्छा।
So these workers are mainly from Bangladesh, so the dormitories are very crowded. So इसलिए वहाँ पे spread हो गया, तो it is like every day there are at least 500-900 cases.
बाप रे।
ओके।
तो अभी सिंगापुर भी बंद हो गया ना, शट हो गया ना?
हाँ पूरा लॉकडाउन है
लॉकडाउन है
सिंगापुर का।
एक्चुअली। हमारा कम्युनिटी हॉस्पिटल तो पूरा कोविड हॉस्पिटल बना दिया।
ओके
I think today is the highest number in Bombay. Shashank?
Yeah. I was on a meeting with the CM, Honorable CM, between 12 to 3, and we are expecting our peak to come in 2 weeks from now, and we might have a shortage of ICU beds in Bombay. Right now also we are not getting beds. So we'll peak after 2 to 3 weeks.
तो सर आपका तो 17 के बाद भी जाएगा लॉकडाउन मुंबई का तो।
अरे Bombay is going to be shut till 15th of June.
बाप रे बाप। इधर यहाँ सर हम बिकापुर में कुछ नहीं है सर, ग्रीन जोन में ही हम लोग, एक भी केस नहीं है।
हाँ तेरा
Good,
हॉस्पिटल
good for
अंबिकापुर
you. Good for you. Keep it up. ऐसे ही
मैं
रखो.
अभी मैं यहाँ से ना ट्रेन भर के पेशेंट भेज देता हूँ, उधर ही मैनेज कर तू अभी।
सर वो पेपर में ज्यादा रहता है सर।
सर जामनगर में भी एक भी केस नहीं है।
अच्छी बात है ना.
Good, good, good.
You guys are complaining?
No.
हॉस्पिटल में कम रहता है और न्यूज़पेपर में ज्यादा रहता है।
मैं किधर सर, एक बार आया हूँ सर आज तक, किधर सर मैं
हाँ, तेजस, गोवा कैसा है?
गोवा तो सर फ्री जोन, जीरो के
फ्री जोन।
पूरे पेशेंट।
तेजस, तेरे को डर क्या कोरोना?
सर उसका इतना चमकता है कि चेहरा की वो कोरोना डर जाता है सर।
क्या है? कोरोना तेजस से भाग गया।
गोवा में फेनी मिलता है।
हाँ ये सर राइट बोला।
ये सही बात है
हाउ
सर।
दिमित सर,
ये सो जाता है।
दिमित सर, दिमित सर,
मैं ऐड कर रहा हूँ
By
थोड़ी देर।
the way it is going on, it should peak up in monsoon, I think. Monsoon और ये कैसे handle होगा?
No, it will peak 2 to 3 weeks from now in Bombay, but rest of India it might peak in monsoon time.
अच्छा मुंबई मध्ये आताच पिकअप होईल, पीक होईल.
For 2 to 3 weeks.
अजून पीक यायचंय. Peak is yet to come. I thought it will start plateauing with all the efforts that we are putting in.
No. See, boss, we are putting effort because we are testing aggressively, and we are testing honestly. But point is that we are too crowded, like New York. We are headed like New York.
Now, I am the in charge of COVID facility making in Somaya General Hospital.
So why you didn't join today in the CM's call?
Sir, I am just in charge. I have not been called, sir. I am just चालू किया facility.
वो मैं ऐसे कोई नहीं था आज.
Somaya से was supposed to be Padma Jakkani was supposed to be there, sir.
मालूम है, but वो क्या है, रोल कॉल लिया था उसमें नहीं थी वो.
अच्छा.
तो बोल मत, but मैं बोल रहा है.
सर पण हे काय होणार पुढच्या 3-4 महिन्यात काय होईल एक्झॅक्टली?
कुछ नहीं रे, ये महीना टाइट है बॉम्बे के लिए, बट डिजिटल कंसल्टेशन चालू करो. मैंने एक्सपेरिमेंटल बेसिस पे लीलावती का कंसल्टेशन चालू किया है. अभी आज भी मैंने एक पेशेंट देखा, बट इट इज डिफिकल्ट, बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है वो. तो मैं डॉक्टर पनिकर, बट टुडे द सिस्टम वर्क बेटर कंपेयर्ड टू यस्टरडे. So Monday morning I'm doing one more case. I personally feel we have to do digital because we will not be able to, for everybody's safety, we can easily do diabetology digital.
Yes.
Can be done.
And it is working quite okay. So in Lilavati, what they do, they have a video, and on the video only you have the reports to be uploaded, the prescription to be written, and some notes to be made. And you can do all that from a screen. You need a laptop. If you have a good laptop or an iPad, you can do it.
Sir, even I have started with HelpLead software what I am using. उसमें भी वीडियो कंसल्टेशन से मैं कर रहा हूँ, बहुत अच्छे से हो जाता है. तो ओनली प्रॉब्लम इसके सर वाइटल नहीं आ पाते पेशेंट के, बाकी सब हो जाता है. बेसिक वाइटल को छोड़ के आराम से मैनेज कर सकते हैं.
ठीक है ना, अभी सब कुछ सब है जब.
हाँ वो तो सर इवन आई एक्सप्लेन टू पेशेंट के दिस इज द वे वी कैन डू इट राइट नाउ.
ये वीडियो कंसल्टेशन में टाइम कितना लेता है?
सर बहुत ज्यादा लेता है.
सर वीडियो कंसल्टेशन
जो चीज 2 मिनट में होती है वो 10 मिनट 15 मिनट लग जाता है.
जाता है.
हाँ
अरे नहीं, मेरे को आज एक पेशेंट को 20-20 मिनट लगा.
हाँ बहुत टाइम लगता है सर.
एक थायरोनॉम देखने को मेरा longest consultation हुआ to write one Tyronam tablet. It took me 20 minutes, which normally takes me 20
Sir, because they are
seconds.
at the comfort of their homes, na, they keep on asking things.
नहीं, then they don't understand कैसे रिपोर्ट दिखाना है, क्या करना है, वो बहुत टाइम लगाते हैं.
वो पहले मंगा लेने का ना.
नहीं, फिर भी उनको जब तक हाथ में नहीं दिखाते वो कैमरा देख के तब तक संतोष नहीं होता है उनको. अभी यही हो रहा है, 15 मिनट जाती है एक पेशेंट में.
Sir, but what is expected in the months to come? Like, I mean, by June, by July, by August, when will we come back on track?
Pradeep, all countries are saying it is going to take 3 to 6 months. So please start digital consultation, because अपना डॉक्टर पणिकर के लैंग्वेज में अपना सबका बिजनेस डाउन है. अपन सब डेली वेजर न रहे, तो अपना सब डेली वेजेस बंद है. तो बॉस अभी डिजिटल चालू करो, खतरा नहीं है. बॉस बराबर है ना. और बॉस को भी मैंने रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि मंडे 2 to 4 में एक डमी कंसल्टेशन करके बॉस तुम वीडियो चालू करो. और आई फील वी कैन इनोवेट दैट वीडियो ऑफ लीलावती बेटर. तो कोई जिमित वगैरह somebody takes charges, we will pay Jimit, but Jimit you make a software.
So the problem is virtual consultation I am doing. Video consultation also I am doing. But in spite of that, there are a good number of patients who want to come to the clinic and they are reaching to clinic. I mean, somehow some of the patients are managing to reach clinic from Ghatkopar, Dombivli, even Vapi. Some patients have come. So that is the problem.
You are unique. तेरे को किधर से भी ढूंढ लेगा वो. Okay, but क्या है? There are only 3 conditions in diabetology where they should see a doctor. One is diabetic foot.
Yes, sir.
That is, we have to see them.
Yeah.
But that surgeon can see. Second is, if they have a cardiac disease, they should go to ICU. Thirdly, if they have a kidney disease, then they have to go to a kidney specialist.
Nephrologist.
तो ये 3 छोड़ा ना, फुट ही अपने को देखने का है. इसके लिए बुलाने का जरूरत नहीं है.
हाँ. Yes, sir.
Because I don't know from where they are coming, whether you are wearing PP or not wearing PP. See, 4 cases. जीता आ गई.
श्रुतिका.
Hi, Ishita.
Hey, Ishita, how are you?
Good, sir. How are you?
Shrutika, how are you?
Good, sir. Good.
Hi, sir.
Hi, Amrish.
Hi, Nikhil.
Hi. तूने बहुत अच्छा आइडिया किया है. मोगेम्बो खुश हुआ.
Thank you, sir.
हम लोग भी खुश हो गए सर ये डायलॉग सुन के.
In Dombivli right now, the everything is locked down. So I only go twice a week, and there are 15 patients with 10 minutes gap each. The proper advice that we give your sanitary sanitizer in the hand. One person is taken up. I'm just placing them, and every 10 minutes I'm calling the patient. No relatives allowed.
Sir, right now.
That is working very good for me.
Today I'm on call for COVID. So we have given the first patient in the country a new drug called IL-6 blocker, Ituzumab. तो उसका रिपोर्ट देख रहा है मैं. AEM हॉस्पिटल में दिया अभी.
Hello. Shashank sir and Panikar sir, what's your call on teleconsulting? Any legal issue you have to see?
No, it is allowed.
Any legal factors we have to keep in mind, sir? And then when we are doing the teleconsulting.
Disclaimer सब डाल देने का. That's it.
Hello, sir.
All the teleconsulting
Hello.
apps already have a disclaimer.
Hello.
There will be no litigation like that. It's allowed. But you be very careful when you prescribe. You should get a proper history of the patient and be cautiously treat. Because you're not treating the सामने वाला patient.
Hello.
सर वो वॉइस नहीं आ रहा है, मैं सबको म्यूट करता हूँ एक मिनट के लिए, आप बोले तब तक। और जिसको क्वेश्चन पूछना है वो अनम्यूट कर सकते हैं। हाँ सर बोलिए अभी पानिकर सर।
The question asked was, is telemedicine medico-legally safe? It is. It has been officially given a permission, but still what I would suggest is we should be careful. We should take all the necessary precaution, especially when you are prescribing drugs which can cause hypoglycemia, like insulin, sulfonylureas. You have to be careful. You have to take the full patient's history, geography into account before you really prescribe. So be cautious, but it is safe medico-legally. Shashank can add.
I completely agree with Dr. Panikar. We should take utmost care. Right now, just seeing the Lilavati app, they say that this is a video consultation with all its limits, and very fact that they join the video consultation, the disclaimer that with all its limitations you are joining. And the Medical Council of India has also given guidelines for teleconsultation. All India Institute of Medical Sciences Endocrine Department is also doing online consultation. So it is legal, but be very careful. Two things: one is hypoglycemia, second is any three major complications: foot, heart, kidney. Please be careful. If there are any of these three issues, what you do is you don't have to see the patient. You send them to the nearest hospital and let the casualty examine the patient and let the patient talk to you on the mobile. That is the best option. I have done it for 3-4 patients and it has worked.
You know, write it in the prescription. If you're giving an online prescription, along with the drugs, you write there, please check your sugars and inform, please get your BP checked, or if there is a leg problem, consult the surgeon, consult your family doctor. ऐसा सब writer उसमें डाल ही देने का.
Regarding the patients for teleconsulting, those who are pregnancy, those who are newly diagnosed, already on the OHS, and they have to be consulted. How do we explain them regarding the insulin intake and the further, because they are first time taking the insulin?
Very simple, very simple. In fact, I recently had a patient who is pregnant and who was in the 3rd trimester, sugars suddenly went up. So I explained to her, and very sensible girl, she has downloaded the YouTube say insulin how to take. The demos are there on YouTube. She has downloaded it, she has studied it, and she has done a beautiful job. She is in touch with me on phone. Absolutely no problem, very comfortable. So YouTube, you can probably, you select the YouTube app and you can forward that link also to them. कि this is the link, ये देखो और इसमें से सीख जाओ कैसा करने का और ऐसा लगाने का. और क्या?
सर
सर कौन बोला रे?
मैं तेजस सर.
हाँ बोल तेजस. Hi.
Hi sir, hi Joshi sir, hi Panikar sir. I was not able to hear you and see you all initially. There were some glitches in connecting.
But now you
अभी
can
तो
hear.
सुनाई दे रहा है, आप दिख भी रहे हैं.
हाँ नहीं. When you are not in connect, we discussed that Goa has got hardly any coronavirus, and that is thanks to the Feni there.
अभी 2 शॉट लेके आया हूँ सर.
क्या बात है? क्या?
आज सैटरडे है तो थोड़ा प्रीपोन करना पड़ा प्लान.
मेरे को मालूम ही नहीं सैटरडे है. I'm disoriented in time and space.
लेकिन अच्छा है सर, यहाँ पे गोवा is now in green zone, so
Very good.
But Feni is available in Goa.
Yes,
सब
yes.
बुर्रा फेनी का ही सीजन चालू है सर अभी.
It is available only in Goa.
और अभी बॉम्बे में दारू खोलने वाला है विद डिस्टेंसिंग.
हाँ.
ओके. बाय द वे जोशी सर आज
सर वाइन
जोशी सर को
निखिल के मुंह में पानी आ गया देख.
ऑब्वियसली सबसे वेट कर रहा हूँ.
क्या पूछ रहा है तेजस?
नहीं, आपको सिर्फ बताना था, अजय ने बुलाया था आज, तो आई जस्ट मेट हिम इन द आफ्टरनून.
पैसा लिया ना? पैसा दिया कि नहीं?
वो ले लेंगे सर.
पहला पैसा लेने का, पहला पोटोबा बाद में विटोबा.
ठीक है सर.
He's okay ना? He had messaged me.
He's okay sir.
He's messaged me later on. Just send me what you told him, so I can
Sure,
tell him
sure.
that I discussed with you. Okay.
Okay, sure sir. I'll text you.
Yeah.
Sir, in case of those patients who are far away, cannot be approached and who require insulin. Recently there's a patient from Dombivli. She went before the lockdown. She's in Pratapgarh. No availability insulin, and she's become pregnant. She's on OHS. OHS to band kar diya. Now for her to go to buy insulin is also difficult. Despite arranging from the companies, still not available.
No, give her. Give her Dionil with metformin.
Okay, that's what I confirm.
Because you don't have a choice. If you don't have a choice, you have to give what is best available. So in USA, in USA, a lot of OB-GYNs routinely give glibenclamide to pregnant women after Ode-Langer study. So this patient, if doesn't have access to insulin, you can say that because there is no insulin available. Actually, according to me, Pratapgarh UP का है कि राजस्थान का है?
UP sir.
UP का. तो
मिलेगा.
फिर मिलेगा इंसुलिन.
The company person has arranged it, but unluckily she couldn't leave the place and go. All the people in the family were elderly, so she could not get it. So I wanted to confirm whether can we use Dawal in this patient.
But the risk is the patient's risk. Secondly, Pradeep, if you are opening your clinic, then I will send you one consent form to the group that
yes, sir.
Many patients have accused that they came to ABC clinic and after going from there they got COVID. So you have to take an undertaking from them that they are not fulfilling any COVID criteria and that they are coming in the clinic on their own risk.
Okay, sir. So please do send that.
So each and every patient to be signed it, sir.
आ गया. I'm reading it.
Sir, एक question है, how to handle international patients who have gone there and they are not able to come down.
I'm reading it now.
They are asking for the change of brands which are available there. So how do we go about for it?
You see, I tell you, the international brands which are there, Jadip, like for example,
So I'm redoing the references right now. I'm redoing and sending it back to you.
All the molecules which we have got an international brand, and we should know. Abhi, for example, when you talk of metformin, glucophage is the name which is generally available abroad. Dimicron for glycoside is available. Glibenclamide is glyburide. Your sitagliptin, Januvia, Janumet is available. Vildagliptin is not available in the US. Teneligliptin is not available anywhere else other than our country. So you will have to substitute another DPP-4 in place of a teneligliptin if the patient is on a teneligliptin here. So that should not be an issue. And if you have a printed prescription like I have where the composition is given, all the patient has to do is take the prescription and go to the chemist and say, "Ye formula ka mere ko dawai do," and it is available.
But that prescription, is it regarded? Our prescription is valid there. Will they entertain the prescriptions?
It is not valid there, but in these times of COVID, things are a bit relaxed, and especially in the Gulf, Dubai and other places, our prescription, they look at it and they dispense the medicines.
But
The
sir, then in certain
US,
in
Australia,
certain
they not do it.
in certain countries, pioglitazone is a problem to get. So how do we tackle that?
Not really. Actos is the brand name.
Yeah, yeah.
It is available.
Okay.
सर एक गुड न्यूज है, अभी ये जूम की तरफ से मेरे को मैसेज आया कि रनिंग आउट ऑफ टाइम, वी हैव रिमूव्ड 40 मिनट टाइम लिमिट ऑन योर ग्रुप मीटिंग. सो
यानी
उनको
चमत्कार किया.
ऐसा मैसेज आया सर.
वेरी गुड.
ग्रेट.
और क्या
सर, क्लिनिकचं सॅनिटायझेशन किती दिवसामध्ये केलं पाहिजे?
डेली.
डेली
सॅनिटाइज
सैनिटाइजेशन
डेली करना पड़ेगा.
Use of two things. So no, what Pradeep wants to know is deep clean. Deep clean has to be done every week. Sanitization has to be done every day. So there are biosafety, biodecontamination protocol by Government of India. I think I will put that also on the group. Most important thing is disposable. So whatever you dispose in the clinic has to be in red, yellow, and green. And BMC. So you have the guideline of MOH, Ministry of Health. Jimit, after our call now, I am sending you all the documents.
Sure.
You can see them and send them, including consent form, to everybody of our group.
Okay, sir.
मैं एक्चुअली काफी कुछ भेजता है ग्रुप पे, तुम लोग कोई देखता नहीं है.
नहीं सर, बघतो आम्ही.
देखते.
आज तुमचे न्यूजपेपर मिस केले.
अरे न्यूज़पेपर is banned. Newspaper is banned. You know that?
Why?
Banned.
You can't send PDF of the newspaper. Then you know they can arrest you. तो मेरे को 3-4 लोग ने बोला you stop sending newspaper because दैनिक जागरण ने WhatsApp एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर को अरेस्ट किया कल मध्य प्रदेश में. अरे for sending newspapers on PDF, it is a violation of law.
Okay.
If you want newspaper, WhatsApp me. I can be a paper wala. Don't worry.
बट तू शशांक एकदम रेगुलरली सुबह 7:30 बजे पेपर डिलीवर करता था.
अभी करेगा. अपना एडमिन कौन है?
एडमिन कौन? अपना जिमित है.
जिमित होगा.
तो फिर उसको कोई अरेस्ट नहीं कर सकता बिकॉज ये लॉ फॉर महाराष्ट्र एंड मुंबई है. तो फिर मैं डालता है कल से पेपर.
सब एडमिन है.
Not leak the papers. Not leak it.
I'm admin.
सर ग्रुप में सब एडमिन बने हुए हैं.
लीक नहीं करेंगे आपका पेपर. डोंट वरी.
शशांक सर,
हेलो. नहीं करेंगे, उसको लगा कि एग्जाम का पेपर है.
Shashank sir, if we stop going to clinic and start teleconsulting, government is pressurized to start the OPDs, and if not, they will terminate the license. अशा condition मध्ये काय sir? What to do to take a call under these conditions?
So I'll tell you. Outside your clinic, you have to put a notice that Dr. Sunil Kamble is available on this number for video consultation from this time to this time. If there is an emergency, please call him on this mobile number. Okay. And ऊपर लिखने का, due to unavoidable circumstances, Dr. Sunil Kamble is not coming to the clinic due to unavoidable circumstances. You don't have to spell the certificate. Full stop. फिर Dr. Sunil Kamble is available for video consultation on this website. And for any emergency, contact Dr. Sunil Kamble on this number. Full stop. Sign और वो तेरे क्लिनिक के बाहर से उसका फोटो लेने का और वो उसका डॉक्यूमेंटेशन करके रखने का.
Sir, there is always a confusion.
Ideally speaking, you are supposed to go to the clinic for at least 1 or 2 hours every day.
Yes, sir.
And sir, always there is a confusion. People say that you should wear the PPE kit and do consultation. How sensible it is to wear the same PPE for all the patients? Because ideally, they recommend they have to keep on changing for each patient.
No. That is not correct. You can wear the same PPE for all the patients.
All the patients, okay.
No, but see, basically what the recommendation is, you don't need to wear PPE. Because, see, what are we really doing in the clinic? Patient comes in, your receptionist is going to talk to the patient. She should be in a mask, 3-layered mask. She should wear gloves, and the patient who comes has to be checked whether he has fever, whether he has any history of contact or anything, and he is given a mask. Generally today, all the patients will come wearing a mask. So that is not the thing, because I have spent a lot of money on masks distributing to patients. Yes, fact of the matter. और जो 80 पैसे का मास्क था वो साला 20 रुपए में खरीदा मैं और 1000 खरीदा, सबको बांटते गया. But that is different. So a patient, before he enters, he is sanitized, he will wear a mask, and only then he enters.
So sanitization.
Yes.
The sanitization तुम्ही म्हणता ना, before he enters sanitization. Hello.
Yes. Before he enters the clinic.
The sanitization, sir, सगळे recommended guidelines तर म्हणतात की 20 सेकंद केलं पाहिजे. Before he enters the clinic. 20 seconds तर
साबणाने हात धुवायचं 20 सेकंड आहे. Alcohol based sanitizers, decently if you do it, that is a good enough thing. Now for a clinician who is consulting, what is recommended, I am telling you. For a clinician who is consulting, he has to wear a 3-piece mask. He has to wear a goggle kind of thing and gloves. And even these gloves, after every patient, you have to sanitize the gloves.
Yes, here we are changing gloves after every
There is
patient.
no need to change. You can't keep changing for every patient.
Here we have to change for every patient.
No need to change.
Singapore.
Okay.
You can sanitize it with the alcohol-based sanitizer. These are the official recommendations.
Sir, alcohol-based sanitizer ने किती टाइम केलं पाहिजे?
किती टाइम केलं पाहिजे शशांक? कारण अल्कोहोल बद्दल सगळी माहिती शशांककडे असते.
नाही, because I am non-alcoholic. Okay. No. There is no time limit for alcohol-based sanitizer. Only thing is the seven surface technique has to be followed. So you have to do it in the right way. WHO has a video on it. That video is very easy to understand, both for sanitizer and for washing of hands. Washing on hand, 20 minutes. Say happy birthday to you 3 times. That is enough. Otherwise, you do 7-touch technique for the full sanitizers.
So what if every patient at my clinic, before the patient enters into the clinic, is given plastic gloves rather than sanitizing? Because the sanitizer सांडतात, सगळे घाण करतात लोक ते क्लिनिकच्या बाहेर दरवाजात. तर प्लास्टिकचे ग्लोव्स घालून.
Pradeep, that can be done. See, individually you can modify. Ultimately, what is your aim? That his hand should remain clean, because he is going to touch your door, he is going to touch your handle, he is going to touch your...
Sir, the concern was plastic is now banned ना, म्हणून ते प्लास्टिक. पण मला मिळाले प्लास्टिकचे ग्लोव्स, ते ट्रान्सपरंट ग्लोव्स असतात ना.
घाल काय नाही होत.
चालेल ना सर?
कर. That is much better actually. It actually will allow you to be little more confident. That's all.
Yes. Because he might scratch somewhere and then again touch. His body might be carrying a corona. But I'll tell you, for a doctor's chambers, it is a mild risk, 3-layer medical mask with latex gloves. And after every patient goes, the bed where he has been examined should be cleaned. Before the next patient, and hand sanitized. No aerosol generating procedure should be allowed. I mean, that is in dental generally. For
biggest challenge.
For ENT ophthalmology and all, they specifically mention N95 mask with goggles, latex examination thing, shield for dentist and ophthalmologist. But for us, just a triple layer medical mask is good enough. Do not touch the patient. Speak, give out a prescription. Do not hold his folders too many times, his papers. But after every patient, sanitize your hand.
Okay, sir.
There are some doctors who are wearing PPE suits and sitting. It is not required.
Not required.
So what is the difference between latex gloves and vinyl gloves? Because in between I was not getting latex gloves. There was shortage. So we ordered vinyl gloves. The blue colored gloves.
Vinyl gloves are even better quality than latex.
I think it's okay. It's those who have latex allergy should not wear latex.
Yeah.
See, vinyl gloves
is what is important.
So two things.
Wearing a cloth ka gloves which you want to change after every patient, no issue. But gloves.
Two, three things you should know, that the transmission of the virus in a room is occurring through the air. So ideally speaking, we should have a negative pressure ventilation in the room. How do you create a negative pressure ventilation? The easiest way to create a negative pressure ventilation is by having an exhaust fan. Exhaust fan. So you see, when in Maharashtra we had to do this for ambulances with AC, we told them shut off the AC and put the exhaust, so that or keep the ambulance without and keep it open. So three things you can do in the clinic. One is try to keep open all the windows. Number two, try to have fan on. Number three, if there's AC, you must have exhaust. If you do not have AC, I mean, if you have an AC and there is no exhaust possible, then you have this negative ion chamber. So like an air purifier, you get that negative ion chamber, and then you know the particulate matter will not be there. Corona spreads through saliva. Okay, clear data now. It spreads through air. It spreads through talking. It spreads through spitting. It spreads through cough. It spreads through sneezing. The asymptomatic patient is having the highest viral load, and that patient will never have symptoms. So that is called as super spreader. And in India, bhar ke hai. Today, Jhari told us 4 cases. All 4 are from South Bombay. Or 4 never got out of the house. Never got out of the house. Their wife was collecting the vegetable and milk from the watchman. The watchman was collecting it from the vendor who was giving it to it. That vendor gave it to the watchman. Watchman gave it to the wife. Wife was maintaining distancing. But still, wife and watchman traveled in the same lift. And contact tracing was done in 4 South Bombay buildings. So the virus can transmit. You have to be very cautious and careful. Trust me, I have a feeling that all of us will get the virus at some point of time, and we will have to overcome it because we don't have a choice. We will have to develop our antibodies. And I have a feeling that probably me or Panikar might have already got it. We don't even know. And some of you all also might have got it, for you, all you know. So 80%, 90% people will have mild symptoms, it will go. Okay. Maybe, you know, in the comorbidity conditions above 50, heart disease, diabetes, hypertension, COPD, liver disease, you might get trouble. Otherwise, you know, don't get too much of paranoid. हो गया ना तो एंटीबॉडी बनेगा, रीइंफेक्शन का चांस थोड़ा कम होएगा.
सर कम मतलब कितनी कम होता सर? म्हणजे I mean because some patients are getting it again.
Significantly कम होता है.
Significantly कम.
Second होने का chance.
सर कारण अपन all of us being medicos, some or the other day we are going to get. We are destined to get unless we think of dropping the profession.
That is why I'm telling you, कि boss, my only worry is for our boss, Dr. Panikar, because of his age and because of his history. But for him, all of us are in an immune zone. Thoda idhar, and Nikhil, all smokers of our batch, please don't smoke. Okay, Panikar sir, don't smoke. My only folded hand request, don't smoke. Because Italy, Wuhan, people who died were all smokers. Even in Bombay,
there was a study that those who were smokers had less chances, and now they are trying to use nicotine patches.
Nicotine patches for the treatment, sir.
Coronavirus.
No, I remember this. Yeah, I remember this very clearly when sir has undergone an angioplasty. I requested him to reduce it. He said, "Arey, मेरा calcium score बढ़ गया. I've stopped taking calcium."
बस
I clearly
बस
remember
ऐसा
that.
है, Dr. Panikar and Nikhil will find any excuse on planet Earth to smoke.
One question.
Okay, so but my request, sir, sincerely, तुम लोग दोनों जब ना 3 महीना, Sanhita, you are responsible for both of them. We make you responsible. You have to ensure that both of them don't smoke. We have given you a target. Okay, you have to ensure that both of them don't smoke.
Arey, she has started, yaar.
I think they'll ensure that I start smoking.
Yes, that is okay. I didn't know that. You also stop.
Excuse me, please. No smoking and no drinking for me ever.
Also, one more thing that, see, the females are protected. There is a gender advantage for females.
Yes.
Because the TMP RSS2, which is the modulator of ACE enzyme, that is androgen dependent, not estrogen dependent. So if men take estrogen, they get protected.
That trial is also being done.
So the Indian figures have already reached almost 40,000, and how come China is stuck at 82 itself?
Because
75% of the cases are not getting reported.
China तो छोड़ दे रहा है अभी.
I know. And there is that official report where 75 to 80% of the cases are not being reported, and there is this red zone which is seen over all their cemeteries, where they are actually having this mass burial. So forget about China.
So how much? What will be the highest figure India will reach? What do you feel, sir?
Oh my God.
Stock market जैसा मत पूछ रहे.
That gives us an idea when we'll start.
Sir, I want to ask one thing.
The report from the supervisory central committee has predicted that by 15th of May, we would reach somewhere around, that is their of course estimate, that we would reach somewhere around 6.5 lakhs.
अरे एक का पोपट हो गया. See, I am on the Corona Task Force for Maharashtra government. They had predicted 60,000 cases for Mumbai on 30th of April.
30th of April, yes.
So
and
that is gone.
6.5 lakhs by 15th of May.
So me, Zarir, Dr. Rahul Pandit, we encountered them. We told them that there is no role for mathematicians. Virus doesn't follow any mathematics.
Right.
If anybody is on Twitter, I have gone on Twitter now. I tweeted and publicly have denounced them. These people are spreading alarmistic tendencies and should be done. They should take oath on law. Otherwise, they should be arrested for creating such panic, because they have no right. See, they are not public health specialists. They cannot predict like this. वो क्या करता है? वो चाइना का डेटा लेता है, इटली का डेटा लेता है, उसके ऊपर कुछ मॉडल बनाता है और कंप्यूटर पे डालता है, और वो प्रिडिक्शन मॉडल पूरा रॉन्ग जाता है. See, boss, we have to see the doubling time. Our Bombay is having a problem only because we tested more. Okay. Others, all green zones, trust me, might suddenly become orange or red if they start testing. So ये इनका मॉडल पूरा फेल गया, at least for 30th of April. But one thing is sure, कि by 15th of May we will be at its peak. So the next 2 weeks, the viremia will be at its peak. So I actually requested our boss, Dr. Panikar, not to go to clinic for 1 or 2 weeks because viremia is high. So therefore, I would suggest even Pradeep, unless and until it is mandatory, I don't want you to get exposed unnecessarily. Okay, you are very successful. You have a big establishment support. I know you will get bankrupt if you go, but don't go. But I still request you, 2 weeks do digital work. Okay, because don't take chances for these 2 weeks. Because क्या होता है कि एसिम्प्टोमेटिक पेशेंट में वायरल लोड बहुत ज्यादा है और वो किधर से स्प्रेड करेगा पता नहीं. तो कितना भी वो हमारा मंगेश तिवास्कर भी जाता है, वो मंगेश तिवास्कर तो पूरा कोरोना सूट डाल के जाता है. Because and आगे बोल रहा, because they see respiratory cases. See, respiratory cases में प्रॉब्लम है, but non respiratory cases जैसे अपना केसेस में respiratory बहुत कम रहता है, बट वी डोंट नो. सी सर्दी खांसी है तो बोलता नहीं है पेशेंट रे.
Yes, sir.
Even they'll take paracetamol or brufen and come to the clinic saying no history of fever.
Fever is gone now, that thing. Also remember, clinic toilets in China and Korea, clinic toilets were the largest source of spread to the healthcare workers. This study got published day before yesterday. I will send you the study. That remember, any space where there is water and small room, the chances of spread are high.
Why is that?
Sir, one more thing. Sir, hello.
No, this toilet, small room and water, what is the connection?
So the humidity in that small room is higher, and therefore they have found highest amount of SARS virus in that. So SARS-CoV-2, and this study was published from China and Korea both, and that led WHO and CDC also to change their guideline that this virus is micro droplet and probably airborne.
Okay. But if there is an exhaust, if there is a decent exhaust in that toilet,
yes, no problem.
Addressed.
Yes, yes.
Sir, people have started developing washable suits. Are they useful?
Yes.
They said they could be used for 30 times.
Yes.
कर सकता है.
Useful, but not in the ICU setting. In your clinic setting and all, it is absolutely no problem.
Sir, right now, sir, morning 2 hours I'm going in my clinic. I'm wearing a gown. I don't know how much right I am. Wearing a head cap, washable. I cannot afford PPE every day. It's not, long term sensible nahi hai. बहुत costly hota hai. So what I'm doing is, as I'm going once a day, I come home. I go directly to the bathroom. एंड मैं बैग में अपना गाउन डाल देती हूँ उल्टा करके. कोई भी केस फिलहाल नहीं है, बट वी डोंट नो. सो फिर मैं घर पे आती हूँ, मेरे पास वो जो सिंथेटिक बैग है वो भी मैं वॉश कर देती हूँ. ग्लव्स आई डिस्पोज एंड सोडियम हाइपोक्लोराइड सॉल्यूशन में डिसइंफेक्ट करती हूँ एंड इन वार्म वाटर. सो दिस इज माय डेली रूटीन सिंस 2 weeks नाउ. एंड मंडे से सर लॉकडाउन यहाँ जामनगर में खुल जाएगा एंड 1 महीने के अंदर यहाँ पे भी प्रॉब्लम शुरू हो जाएंगे सर. सो आई एम ट्रेनिंग माई सेल्फ एवरी डे. बाहर मैं भाड़े से हूँ अभी, मेरा क्लिनिक बन रहा है इसलिए. सो आई एम अटैच विद द गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट. सो दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज क्रॉस इन्फेक्शन होने के चांसेस रहेंगे. सो मैंने जो वहाँ के जो स्टाफ है उनको डिसइंफेक्टेंट खरीद के दिया है. And very soon I have to give them sodium hypochlorite also कि वो कैसे पोछा करना है and all that. मैंने वो गायनेक के स्टाफ को भी सिखाया कि पेशेंट को कैसे उनके because यहाँ पे इतना ज्यादा केसेस नहीं है ना. So I'm not seeing that seriousness within the physicians also.
True.
Surgeons and physicians are not very serious here. And that too सब 50, 55, 60 plus है. And मैं सर पर्सनली सब पेशेंट को घर पे कैसे हैंडमेड मास्क बनाने हैं पूरा डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करती हूँ. वेरी सून आई मेक अ वीडियो ऑल्सो कि घर पे कैसे बनाना है. कितना ऑथेंटिक रहेगा, कितना प्रोटेक्शन मिलेगा सर पता नहीं है, बट जैसे जैसे पता चल रहा है क्योंकि एवरीबडी विल नॉट बी एबल टू अफोर्ड N95 फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकेंड थिंग, लोगों को यूज ही नहीं करना आता है कि 3 प्लायर मास्क कैसे यूज करना है, कैसे डिस्पोज करना है. ये छोटी छोटी चीजें पेशेंट को समझाना पड़ता है. सो राइट नाउ बिकॉज पेशेंट कैन कम टू माय क्लिनिक, आई एम यूजिंग दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी बिकॉज सब एल्डरली है. सो यहाँ पे लॉकडाउन खुलने वाला है, पीपल आर हैप्पी एंड आई एम गाइडिंग देम के दिस इज नॉट अ गुड न्यूज. जैसे ही लॉकडाउन खुलेगा मुसीबत शुरू, तब रियल मुसीबत तो तब शुरू होगी. तो घर पे कैसे हैंडमेड मास्क बनाने हैं, घर पे कैसे ध्यान रखना है, छोटी छोटी बातें जैसे कि आप गाड़ी की चाबी है, मोबाइल कैसे सैनिटाइज करना है, घर में मॉर्निंग में और रात को सोने से पहले जो सबसे ज्यादा हम हाथ लगाते हैं घर पे, वो कैसे घर पे चीजों को क्लीन करना है. और सबकॉन्शियसली पेशेंट जो मास्क यूज करते हैं, हम भी सर फेस पे लगाते हैं और एडजस्ट करते हैं क्योंकि वो इट्स नॉट कंफर्टेबल. सो हमसे कहीं ना कहीं गलतियां होने ही वाली हैं. So कितना भी precaution ले ले, we are not हम expose होने ही वाले हैं, patient भी expose होने वाले हैं. So I'm using this time for guiding them detail में. ये चीज का मैं use कर रही हूँ. तो जो भी patient आ रहे हैं.
So how to sanitize mobiles?
Hina, bol.
Since she mentioned about the mobile thing.
Yes, बोलेगी ना.
Yes, sir. Sir, वही जो alcohol based sanitizer है, सर alcohol based sanitizer है, and अपने हाथ sanitize करने हैं, मोबाइल sanitize करने के बाद क्योंकि उसको dry होने में time लगता है, and we don't know really कि कितना ज़्यादा sanitize हो रहा है, but
one minute, Hina, can I talk?
Yes, sir.
See, first, mobile has a standard protocol. First thing is, if your mobile has a cover, take out the cover and first clean it with a plain cloth. Step number 1. Step number 2, after you have cleaned it with a plain cloth, then either dip it in soap or water or a sanitizer after switching off the mobile. Do not keep the mobile on. And if the mobile is warm or hot, do not do this. Then once you have switched off the mobile, then you clean it either with soap or water based on or with a sanitizer. Then after you have cleaned it, let it dry. Don't use the dry swipe. Mobile sanitization time is 5 minutes. So you have to follow the 5 minutes. Don't be in a hurry to, and mobile is a big fomite. After that, you are supposed to again clean it with a plain cloth. After the plain cloth, you have to wait for 1 minute. After that, wash your hands. After you have washed your hands, go back and switch on the mobile. Put on the cover. After you have cleaned the cover and your mobile is back to normal. You should clean your mobile twice a day.
So during this time, we can
mobile in soap water. वो मोबाइल की वाट लग जाएगी.
No, Vijay, you can do that. See, many places sanitizer is not possible. So what they have said is
mobiles are few and far.
Correct. So it depends on
waterproof also. उसमें पानी अंदर जाता है.
Sir, what I have done is,
sir, आपका मोबाइल waterproof है, sir.
Sir, newer mobiles are waterproof. They are certified IP67. So if your mobile is IP67 certified, you can swim also with it underwater.
Yes.
What I do is, sir, I have put a plastic. I put my mobile into a plastic thing, the way we do it during rainy season, and then every day I either change the plastic or I put that plastic into soap water. Is that okay, sir?
Perfect.
ये भी बहुत अच्छा आइडिया है.
Because पहले कुछ दिन मैंने मोबाइल सैनिटाइज किया. लेकिन
I'm writing a guideline. I'm writing a biosafety decontamination guideline. So I'm going to send that draft to many of you all. I will acknowledge everybody's names. Please send me suggestions. Yes, sir, aisa innovative suggestions hai, and we will get it approved. No, we'll get it approved by proper microbiology team who is looking into this desanitization protocol of Government of India and Maharashtra both. There are 2 microbiologists assigned for this task. You see, people thought that cardboard and paper, newspaper, उसमें public ने ऐसा अफवाह फैलाया कि 5 दिन कोरोना का वायरस रहता है. फिर they did research in NIV. It's not published. They said the corona survives on newsprint for 3.5 days, and for cardboard up to 6 days. They have not published
6 days.
So we don't know. So somebody from America had sent me. I'm sending it to the group on various surfaces. How much time it lasts? But most hard surfaces, if you don't clean them, the virus can survive up to 5 days. But after 1 day, its transmissibility is 0 or very low. So first 24 hours are critical. Sorry.
So the plastic wrap which for covering the things, can it be used for covering the this thing, phone or plastic wrap? Generally,
the idea of covering your phone with a plastic is good, but I think plastic मिलता नहीं है.
So the plastic wrap generally used for covering the food, can they be used?
Yes, you need a very thin plastic.
नहीं, वो प्लास्टिक का मैंने वो दूध वाले से थैली लेके आया मैं.
वो तो काफी मोठा होता है रे दूध वाले का थैली.
नाही सर, त्याच्यातून टच होतं, त्याच्यातून मोबाईल टच होतो.
पण दिसतो का? इज इट ट्रान्सपेरंट?
ते थोडंसं खराब असतं, एवढं ट्रान्सपरंट मस्त नसतं.
तो तू भैया का दूध
पण आपलं
घेतला
काम होतं ना. हा?
I wanted to ask, suppose sir we are using Abbott का जो freestyle library है for testing the patient. I am just trying to use the wrapping of this plastic wrap, 2 wraps or for every patient, and the moment we think we'll remove the upper one and the अंदर वाला clean करेंगे. We'll make it वो क्या बोलते हैं with the like a plastic cover with a hot fermentation उसको चिपक जाएगा. और ऊपर वाला cover every time we change it for every patient when we check it for. I'm doing a small study for COVID patient in Somaya, the glycemic variability of this, all the patients.
कितने पेशेंट है निखिल तेरे पास?
Sir, अभी there are 47 patients admitted in COVID ward in the private side, but now from 5th onwards, all will be shifted to general hospital.
Okay.
There are 47 patients who are positive, but they don't have any symptoms. They are not symptomatic. They are mild. Only one patient was there yesterday on NIV. Now he's also off the NIV.
सर हमारे यहाँ तो वार्ड्स के सारे एयरकॉन बंद करके खिड़कियां खोल दिए, like in Singapore. Yeah, even private wards they have like opened the window and big fan लगा दिए. So I think मतलब इंडिया में कैसे how are these are closed clinic, so what are you practicing?
We'll have to do that.
सर सरांनी ते निगेटिव्ह सांगितलं ना जोशी सरांनी. सर ते कुठे भेटेल?
No, you need an exhaust fan.
You need an exhaust fan. So
exhaust लावायचे possibilities नाही. It's a commercial complex आणि पूर्ण बंद आहे.
So correct, but they will have to do that. Otherwise, open the windows. What Priya is saying is right. If you go to Mantralaya also today, all windows are open. Only problem is your lift. See, when you just now on the WhatsApp group, I have put out all those surfaces, contact surfaces, high touch surfaces where the corona spreads. I have put it on the group just now, and I will send. I have now realized that all of y'all, whatever we do in our COVID group, I am going to put it on Jopasna group also now.
Yes, sir, please, sir.
We have to open the windows. There is no other choice, because this is like the old sanatorium concept. Okay, अपने पहले TB में sanatorium था ना, वैसे करना है. Do you know that in the TB hospital of Bombay, Shivri TB hospital, no TB patient has got corona? Can anybody answer why? Because they are taking anti-TB. No, they have negative pressure ventilation in ICU. They have open big rooms.
AKTs are supposed to.
And AKT is protective. Because rifampicin also has an action against coronavirus.
Are there any studies going on regarding rifampicin on corona?
No. But we are studying Shivri TB hospital. Their superintendent and me are in regular touch.
Shashank, I think you should enlighten all our people on the role of pioglitazone in COVID.
I send you the article. I told you to study.
No, that you heard it from the horse's mouth.
No, but I think pioglitazone might be protective, because you see what is happening in COVID. COVID virus docks into the ACE2 receptor. ACE2 receptor gets eaten up. When it gets eaten up, the angiotensin 2 goes up and you get a cytokine storm. Now what pioglitazone does is actually does not allow the ACE2, it keeps the ACE2 alive. So it might have an anti-corona effect and it might prevent patients from cytokine storm. And there is a hypothesis which I actually put it on the group also. I don't think anybody read it.
Sir, we always read. At least I read everything.
And TMP RSS2 is also upregulated. This is a protease which is also upregulated by pioglitazone. So many of our patients, because we use a lot of pioglitazone, might be protected.
What is it about the...
What's your...
Sir, regarding N95 mask, sir, how long can it be used on for multiple days? what I do at my clinic is we have given 6 N95 to everyone. So the same N95 mask comes on the 7th day or 8th day probably.
Same. I'm also doing the same thing.
So at All India Institute of Medical Sciences, they are
Yes,
using
sir.
the N95 after 8 hour use every 4th day.
Every
After
4th day.
drying
Okay.
it, after drying it in hot air.
Hot. So can it be ironed? I mean, what earlier when I had only 2 N95 masks, I used to keep it between 2 newspapers and used to iron from above. Is that okay or it is?
Not okay,
You can
because the
use
article which I just sent you.
hair dryer.
No,
No.
No, autoclave ही करना पड़ेगा.
Aerosol. No aerosol.
It will affect the membrane.
It will affect the membrane. I thought so, but then that time I had no option.
it cannot be used.
Okay, but
No
it can
It
be.
should
I
be
mean,
sun dry.
But N95 can be used regularly for a month.
Every 4 days, you have to sun dry it.
Yes.
Okay. This is AIMS has, it is an official document from AIMS.
So what's your call on this sodium hypochlorite, sir? Because linear time it is not available, or government recommend only a sodium hypochlorite. Should we add same or should we add think some other option?
Common bleach can be used.
Sir.
No, in our hospital, whatever we are doing, using a commonly bleach. Normal bleaching powder, we put it and then put a water so it helps.
Exactly.
Especially
Exactly.
certain
the same thing.
around the patient.
Hello. Hello.
I wanted to ask one thing. What
Hello.
about the herd?
We have a long way to go on herd immunity. So I was just now reading the antibodies to COVID patients in India is coming up, because we are doing plasma therapy at this hospital, Kasturba Hospital. So herd immunity ultimately we'll have to develop, and that's the only way we can handle corona.
so how long will it take?
6 months to 1 year.
So roughly 60% of Indians will be affected by that time. In
But
that
we have delayed it now. See, we have delayed it.
Yes, because of
Now
lockdown.
actually by the lockdown, we have delayed development of herd immunity. So Pradeep, till
Yes, sir.
January, we will not develop herd immunity.
Okay, sir.
So many patients keep on asking that if they go out and come back home, so do we have to take full bath or just sanitize? And even includes for us if you're going to the clinic and we come back in 2 hours or something.
Full bath, including head bath.
Every time we step out of the house.
Ideally, yes. But why are you stepping out more than once?
No, sir, not me. I'm not doing it. It's about the patients. They keep on asking this question कि अगर एक बार से ज़्यादा भी गए घर के बाहर, तो we have to come back and have bath.
हर बार जाने का नहीं तो जाएगा तो आना पड़ेगा और फिर वाटर को वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा.
So comment about reinfection, sir.
Very rare. They feel the viral particles are inactive. So Korea and China have reported it. I think Singapore, I don't know whether reinfection, but very rare.
So do we have the
Virulence is
immunity
low.
or we don't have the immunity permanently?
We don't know.
अरे अमरीश, nothing is permanent in life यार. अच्छा अभी सुनो ये कोरोना वायरस.
In Singapore, there is no second infection yet. No reinfection yet.
Yes. Now let us stop this infection of corona and talk about ourselves here. मेरे को
वजन कम हो गया सर.
क्या?
Weight loss.
किसका?
मेरा सर.
तेरा?
लगता नहीं है. दारू नहीं
दिख
पीते
नहीं
होंगे
रहा
ना
है.
इसलिए.
वही तो बंद हो गया. Picture shop बंद है सर. White shop बंद है. कब चालू होगी? कब से राह देख रहे हैं सर?
मेरे पास है, आ जाओ.
तेजस किधर है? तेजस तेजस नहीं दिख रहा है मेरे को।
पेनी ब्रेक के लिए गए होंगे।
अच्छा,
हाँ हाँ।
ट्यूशन भी गया है। ओके, अमरीश चंद्रपुर कैसा है?
Sir, till today we were 0. Just now I have had come to know that we have 1 positive.
Okay, so that's the beginning.
Yes, that's the beginning.
Oh.
I don't know how. I mean, instead of lockdown, how it is possible that we have 1 positive? But yes, it is.
आया होगा, नागपुर से आया होगा।
हाँ सर, नागपुर से आया होगा।
सर चंद्रपुर में अल्कोहल 40,000 का मिल रहा है सर। मैं बिजनेस चेंज कर रहा हूँ।
गुड गुड।
नहीं पर निखिल भाई आप ही खत्म कर दोगे, आप कमा नहीं पाओगे।
मेरा लिमिटेड 2 बैग का कोटा होता है।
हाँ तो ठीक है, तो फिर मैं भी आती हूँ साथ में बिजनेस करने के लिए।
सुबह दो, रात को दो कि खाली रात को दो?
अरे रात को इतना भी घर पे नहीं लेगी मेरे को।
सर थोड़ा व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटी से लगते जो फॉरवर्ड्स है उसके बारे में थोड़ा क्लेरिफिकेशन चाहिए था। मेनी पीपल से दैट वार्म वाटर लेना चाहिए।
नहीं होता है उससे।
हेलो
सर, can I give some clarifications? Hot water gargles, steam inhalation, turmeric, zinc, vitamin C, vitamin D, then arsenic in homeopathy. Okay, all this are at best placebos are harmful. I have one. You know, my late dad was treated by one Dr. Ishita Sen from Delhi for actinium therapy. She got a patient of one of the doctors. This doctor treated his own father with arsenic in Gurgaon, and that patient is now admitted to Fortis Gurgaon in arsenic poisoning. Okay, because the Ayush government said that you can give arsenium 30 to everybody with corona. Okay, तो वो एडमिट हो गया अभी और वो डॉक्टर का फादर है। तो ये सब ना, Ina, don't get carried away, but you should clear your throat. So if you get a sore throat,
yes sir.
If you get a sore throat, regular hot water gargles with salt or doing steam inhalation is useful in general. But that is a general recommendation. It is basic personal hygiene, but it has nothing to do with corona.
The secretary of health secretary of Gujarat today morning she said that arsenic album is given to all the patients. So
there is a GR. There is a GR to that effect.
Gujarat government they said they are giving it to all the patients. Is it advisable? Arsenic album.
वही तो बोला ना, इशिता सेन ने बोला मेरे को कि उसमें ये होता है पॉइजनिंग होता है।
देखो, बेसिकली टेक केयर, मास्क पहनो, सैनिटाइज करो, दूर रहो और मास्क के पीछे से स्माइल करो। That is what it is. Enjoy life.
एक कल किसी को योगा सीखने का है तो अपना शो है 12 बजे योगा. Dr. Panikar is banned from that because he has to drink his alcohol.
अरे बस क्या भाई, बैंड तेरा कब है योगा का शो?
कल 12 बजे
रात को,
नहीं दोपहर को.
कौन पीता है रे?
सर वो संडे के आपके ये शोज में मिस नहीं करती हूँ सर. संडे एवरीबडी शुड नॉट मिस दिस 1 hour program. It is brilliant. Since last 4 weeks I have not missed a single program. The Sundays you do.
Once we have this mind, mood and magic. इसमें हम लोग क्या है? Once we call Harsha Bhogle, once we call that Chanakya का गुरु Divedi, then once we called this Aditi Govitrikar, once we called this Baichang Bhutia, footballer, Tomorrow it is yoga lady Ansa Ben. She is the Yoga Institute head. And Harish Shetty and me host the show. And next week we'll have one more celebrity.
तू मेरे को बोला ना.
Sir, please send the link.
I always put it on our group. I will put it again today.
But take care. That is most important.
सर वी आर वरीड अबाउट यू सर. आप ध्यान रखिए सर, हम आपके लिए बहुत वरीड हैं.
शशांक है मेरे को संभालने के लिए.
नहीं विजय, तू सुनता नहीं है. I want all of you all to request Panikar Sel with folded hands.
Yes.
कि boss.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
सुनने का नहीं. और वीडियो से सबको देखने का. Ishita, you and Sanhita, you have to see the patients. Dr. Panikar has to see it from home, and he is to be digitally connected with you.
Sir,
Yes, sir. Yes,
you
sir.
can
Yes,
do
sir.
one thing, sir. Get your modified chamber modified into two chamber. Means you can put a permanent glass partition and one patient. Means even if the patients are coming, you have a backdoor exit, and the patients are sitting in a permanent, and they are talking through microphone.
Sir, as you say, sir, छोटा पनीकर छोड़ दो सब. छोटे पनीकर.
पनीकर को क्या?
छोटे पनीकर्स को छोड़ दो क्लिनिक में.
Panikar, we will do a simulation model. So Dr. Panikar's photograph, like a putra, should be there in the clinic, robo, and he's talking from the robo, but he's not there.
Yes.
देखते कैसा होता है वो.
तू जाएगा नहीं क्लिनिक बॉस.
We won't let him,
Please,
sir.
sir,
Don't
sir.
worry. We won't let him go to the clinic.
We are really worried about you, sir.
Arey, don't worry, Hina. We won't let him reach the clinic at all. Don't worry.
Yes, sir. मैं आपके ऊपर भरोसा है अभी.
Arey, don't worry, don't worry. हाँ बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Sanhita and Ishita,
I have already made it clear that he is not supposed to go to the clinic at least till 31st of May, and even after that, I'll be examining the patients, and he'll be sitting far away.
correct. So Sanhita, you and Ishita are Dr.
Yes, sir.
Panikar's bodyguards.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Of course, of course.
Right hand and left hand, यार.
Yes. So we won't let him come
But
to
I
the
carry
clinic.
my hand, huh?
Of course, of course. We'll take all possible precautions. Maximum possible precautions.
Hey Jimit, thank you for this, yaar. I could see everybody, I could meet everybody.
सर आपका ही आइडिया था.
हफ्ते में once a week we should meet.
Yes sir.
Yeah. Definitely.
Yes, sir. It gives lot of enlightenment.
And encouragement also.
That's good.
And Jimmy, thanks particularly for upgrading.
Yeah.
That
I have
was
not
brilliant.
upgraded. Zoom ने दोनों सर को देखा और Zoom ने ही अपग्रेड कर दिया ऑटोमेटिकली. दोनों सर को देख के अपग्रेड कर दिया.
That was nice.
नाम ही काफी है. नाम ही काफी है.
Imit bhai, we have to say thank to Shashank sir who had given this idea for platform.
There are certain security issues regarding this Zoom meeting. So there are other platforms that are being made available nowadays. So वो Indian platform आ रहा है, Namaste. So I suppose within next 15 days that Namaste is likely to be operational. Because this Zoom particularly has this security issue. So people have their reservations.
Ma'am, Google has already launched Meet app
Yes.
for
I know.
Zoom sort of meeting.
Right.
Can
No,
you adjust
Google,
your laptop?
Google, yeah, Hangout is good.
Sir, I think
It is safe.
eventually all
Google Chat is safe. Because approximately
I
5-6
don't think we
lakhs
should be worried about security issues.
regarding.
क्या कर रहे हैं? हम लोग क्या कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं.
It is not about क्या कर रहे हैं. It is about the records being, even including bank records and everything that they are being hacked.
Sir, but then that is hackable through anything.
That is a
once you
concern.
have
No,
a
but this is the
Gmail
open
account.
concern. This is the open concern. See, whoever is on social media or whoever is on internet, anything can be hacked. But this is the open challenge. Everybody is doing it openly here through Zoom. This is the concern.
No, especially the bank accounts were hacked.
Yes,
in some of the
absolutely,
cases.
absolutely.
Yeah, yeah.
That's what. About 6
And
lakhs
because-
of the accounts have been hacked already.
And because we all
Chinese app
have,
and it.
because we all have our bank details in our mobile,
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Mobiles too.
we are already
uh,
logged in through most of the apps.
yes, correct.
In fact, any bank
through our
app is
Gmail.
also not safe.
Yes.
That's what.
Bank apps are also not safe.
Absolutely.
Jimit, how is this Google? Jimit, can you hear me?
सर वो वाइन शॉप कब खुलने वाले हैं सर?
क्या?
वाइन शॉप कब खुलने वाले हैं?
निखिल सर उसी में अटक गया हुआ।
सर मंडे
After this call, if you want alcohol, contact me. I'll get you supplied home delivery.
क्या बात है? But मैं क्या?
सर मैं करके घर में
एक
आता हूँ।
ऑर्डर के लिए एक अलग से ग्रुप बनाना चाहिए सर. सेपरेट ग्रुप बनाना चाहिए ऑर्डर्स के लिए.
वो ग्रुप ना, इशिता will be in charge of that group.
वेरी गुड सर. वो
And brands will be decided by Panikkar sir.
Hello, I think it was wonderful meeting all of you all.
Yes,
Jimit,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It was very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Very nice meeting.
Thank you for
Thank you,
joining.
everyone. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Take care, everybody. Please take care. I love you all, and please be happy.
Same here,
Please be
sir.
safe. सब लोग सेफ रहना और मस्त
Same here,
खुश
same here,
रहना. Okay, be happy.
Thank you so much sir.
थोड़ा इधर लॉस हो गया तो चलेगा.
Thank you.
प्रदीप ज्यादा हवरट मत बन, आराम कर. बहुत बड़ा आदमी है, but take care of your health. Okay, because we love you. Okay, and we love all of you. Okay.
Sir,
Bye-bye.
we love you both.
Same here
Take
sir.
care.
Same
you, sir.
here. Bye
Thank
bye.
you.
Thank you, sirs. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
It was
sir.
wonderful. It was wonderful.
Thank you,
Take
Jimmy.
care.
Seriously.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Seriously.
ये कोई फोटो
And
निकाला
thank
क्या?
you Jimit for the meeting.
Yes, sir. I said hi.
भेजता हूँ मैं आपको।
तो भेज फोटो भेज.
भेजता हूँ सर, भेजता हूँ।
Sir, लिया हुआ है. I'll share it.
Bye bye.
Harshpreet,
चलो,
good
bye
night.
bye.
Yes, sir, भेज रहा हूँ सर ग्रुप में।
Good night. Thank you, everyone.
Night.
Bye.
Thank
Bye,
you
bye.
all of you.
Good night, sir. God
Bye.
bless.
Thank you, Panikkar
Bye
sir.
bye.
Thank you,
Good night. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you so
Bye,
much.
sir. Bye,
Good
sir.
night, sir.
Thank
Hina.
you.
Hina, bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye sir. Bye.
Bye, Amrish.
Bye, Joshi,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
जोशी सर गए.
Take care, sir.
Bye. अरे
Bye
जोशी,
bye bye sir. Bye bye bye.
Bye, sir.
चल
Bye, sir.
चल बाय.
Bye bye.
जिमित, गुड शो.
तो जिमित सर,
तेरा कब तक तेरा तैयार हो गया क्या क्लिनिक?
सर हो गया चालू. अभी ओपनिंग भी जूम पे ही कर देते, इनॉग्रेशन ऐसा लग रहा है सर.
क्या बात है.
सर मेरा भी
भी-
पोपट हो जाएगा ये ईयर एंड तक.
अरे
I
don't worry.
was supposed to start my new clinic.
We'll send you virtual blessing. Pallavi, I have to give you
Just
money.
I
Yeah?
wish-
Pallavi, I
Yes, sir.
forgot to give you money. I'll give you the money tomorrow.
It's okay, sir. It's okay, sir.
Yeah. अरे भाई mother reminds me
Hina
morning
ma'am.
evening after.
हाँ
Hina
सर.
ma'am.
हाँ जिमित भाई.
हिना मैम, हर्षप्रीत
Hello?
बोल रहा हूँ।
हाँ
हर्षप्रीत
हर्षप्रीत भाई
बोल
बोल.
रहा है।
बोल
मैम
बोल
आपकी
हर्षप्रीत बोल.
क्लिनिक की ओपनिंग नहीं, यहाँ मेरी शादी अटक गई है।
Oh my goodness.
क्लिनिक की ओपनिंग की बात कर रहे हैं। तो शादी नहीं हो पा रही है मैम इसके चक्कर में।
अरे वो भी डिजिटली करना पड़ेगा. सोशल
अभी
डिस्टेंसिंग
गैदरिंग अलाउड नहीं है ना मैम, शादी कैसे करे? शादी अटक गई है।
उसके शादी कर लेने का.
राहुल,
हाँ बोलना.
भाई तू सिगरेट वाले में इन्वॉल्व नहीं हुआ है, पर तेरे लिए भी थी ना वो बात।
क्या क्या?
जोशी सर तेरा नाम नहीं लिए, पर सिगरेट वाले में तेरा भी नाम आना चाहिए। कम कर दे।
मेरा नाम, मैं सिर्फ ड्रिंक करता हूँ.
हाँ
घर को पता है इसलिए.
आजा, तेरे को अंबिकापुर में बहुत मिलेगा, आजा।
हर्षप्रीत अभी छोटी सी सेरेमनी कर ले. हर्षप्रीत अभी छोटी सी सेरेमनी कर ले, फिर सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग नहीं हो पाएगा इस केस में।
छोटी सेरेमनी के लिए भी मैम 10 लोग तो चाहिए, कोई तो बाहर से आए, कोई आ ही नहीं सकता।
नहीं किसी को बुलाने का
ब्लॉक्ड है।
अरे अभी yours is a green zone, right?
Yeah, mine is green zone, but how?
2 महीने के बाद रेड जोन होने वाला है, शादी कर ले भाई।
मैम इधर पहले से ऑरेंज जोन है, सारे केस दबे हुए हैं, जब निकलेंगे तब वैसे ही नुकसान होने वाला है। Because health minister is of this place ना, so all the cases are being hold. पता चलेगा बाद में यहाँ के लोगों को।
अरे हिना,
हाँ सर,
बच्ची को सामने कर।
हाँ?
Get your daughter in front here.
Yes sir.
Hello to her.
Hi. बहुत क्यूट है मैम।
अनिका सर।
क्या है क्या?
बोल।
नेक्स्ट वीक में फैमिली के साथ रखते हैं।
सर वो RSSDI का कैसे होगा सर?
बट तेरा बैकड्रॉप यार मस्त किया रे जिमित।
हाँ।
सर भेजता हूँ आपको, बहुत इजी है।
बहुत इजी है, बट ये तेरा बैकड्रॉप कैसा आता है?
सर वो वर्चुअल बैकग्राउंड करके ऑप्शन आता है जूम में।
अच्छा।
और वो फोटोशॉप में मैंने इमेज बनाया, मैं भेजता हूँ, वो भी आपको मैं डालता हूँ।
ओके ठीक है।
सर एक लास्ट ये पूछना था सर, घर पे जब हम आते हैं क्लिनिक से, एक डर बहुत लगा रहता है क्योंकि मेरी बच्ची भी छोटी है और बस ये दिमाग में घूमता रहता है कि नहीं, आई शुड नॉट हग हर, आई शुड नॉट किस हर, ये बहुत डर लगता रहता है। तो ये वरी हम सबको है।
कुछ नहीं होने वाला है।
हाँ सर, बट
यू टेक द प्रॉपर प्रिकॉशंस। अभी तू तो सब एकदम मस्त प्रिकॉशन कर रही है। एब्सोल्युटली डोंट वरी।
ओके सर।
बच्चे लोग को कुछ होता नहीं है, वो भी है।
यस सर। सर ये जो ये सेकेंड वेव आता है सर पेंडेमिक में, ये बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग है कि इस जो राइट नाउ जो चल रहा है, ये फेज 1 है या फेज, क्योंकि लॉकडाउन चल रहा है तो कुछ इसमें सर ये सेकेंड फेज क्या होता है?
नहीं देखिए, अभी तो कम्युनिटी स्प्रेड हुआ ही नहीं है।
हाँ सर, तो फर्स्ट फेज ही चल रहा है अभी तो।
बिकॉज ऑफ मोदीज लॉकडाउन वी आर सेफ, बट फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग?
यस सर, प्रैक्टिकल नहीं है सर इतना लंबा।
Only way to prevent spread is lockdown.
Sir, they're very.
If we can turn off and keep the thing contained, we may not get a community.
Second phase.
Yes, but if we do get a community spread, it is going to be huge.
Yes.
So we are priming people to take care, mask pehno.
True.
All these things, तो वो इसमें थोड़ा सा कम हो जाएगा।
Sir, Korea and Taiwan are the 2 countries which are teaching के public के मदद के बगैर नहीं हो पाएगा sir, and that is going to be a challenge for our country. Koreans and
so unless the public is part of it, nothing will happen.
Sir, वो नाक तक पानी नहीं आता तब तक सुधरते नहीं है यहाँ पे सर। पान वाले की दुकान सर, पान वाले की दुकान खुलने के लिए से बारिश की तरह वेट कर रहे हैं। लॉकडाउन खुलेगा पान मसाले का, and the spitting will start and the
No, I tell you, things will change.
Hopefully.
Spitting सब कम हो जाएगा, and स्वच्छ भारत वगैरह सब सेट हो जाएगा। Always look at the positive side.
True.
कि इससे अभी देखना, इसमें क्या, मैं घर में बैठा हूँ, मेरा 2 गाड़ी है, बड़ा गाड़ी है, अरे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? उस पे ऐसा धूल जमा हो रहा है, कोई यूज ही नहीं कर रहा है। You suddenly realize what do you need in life यार? 2 रोटी चाहिए और कुछ चाहिए नहीं। It's so simple. That's what life is all about. So all these things कि मेरे को ये करना है, मेरे को वो करना है, is all. So people are introspecting, and जो घर पे बैठ के काफी साइकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स हो रहे हैं, मेरे को नहीं है। Because see, once you accept, things are very easy.
True.
Once you don't accept, अरे वो फिर वो गाली देते रहेगा, मैं बाहर नहीं जा सकता, मैं ये नहीं, अरे वो उसका जिंदगी वो बर्बाद करता है. But once you accept, you're very comfortable. मैं कंप्यूटर सीख रहा हूँ, मैं एक्सेल सीखा, मैं स्टैटिस्टिक्स सीख रहा हूँ, और अपने जो भी बच्चे लोग हैं वो राहुल देखो उधर मुंडी हिला रहा है, उनका मैं करके दे रहा हूँ अभी. सच्ची. वो निश्चल के साथ तो मैं वो वन डेस्क पे बैठ के उसको सिखाता हूँ कि उसका मीन स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन कैसा निकालने का, पी वैल्यू कैसा निकालने का. अभी वो लोग भी सीख गए. मेरे को मालूम नहीं था लॉकडाउन के पहले, बट सीखा. तो
आपको टाइम ही नहीं मिलता था सर.
यही तो टाइम को मैंने उस हिसाब में यूटिलाइज किया है. एकेडमिक, डेटा क्लीनिंग, डेटा थिंग, एनालिसिस, ये वो सब वही कर रहा हूँ बैठ के. तो इट्स वेरी रिलैक्स्ड. मेरे को कुछ लगता नहीं. आई वुड हैव गॉन टू द क्लिनिक आल्सो, बट बच्चे लोग और सब लोग मिलके बोलते कि नहीं जाना है क्योंकि तुम बुड्ढे हो, तुम्हारी वाट लगेगी. कैटेगरी.
We are worried about you, sir. सर हर्षप्रीत की शादी में जाना है सर, आपको मेरे क्लिनिक की ओपनिंग में आना है सर.
अरे हर्षप्रीत के तो क्लिनिक की ओपनिंग में गया था मैं.
हाँ सर.
और वो भी क्या, वाराणसी से 8 घंटा बाय रोड, फिर इधर से 8 घंटा टू रांची. मजा आया. बट गुड.
यस सर. सर ये ब्लेसिंग हमारी कंटिन्यू रहे, इसलिए सर आपको ध्यान रखना है आपका.
यही है मजा करने का. चलो अभी मैं एक पैक मारता हूँ.
चीयर्स सर, चीयर्स.
यस सर. ओके
सर, थैंक यू सो मच सर. थैंक यू सर. बाय सर. बाय जिमित भाई.
चल राहुल.
थैंक यू जिमित भाई. बाय राहुल.
सर
बाय.
सर ये क्लिनिक का ओपनिंग जूम पे रख दे क्या? कैसा आइडिया है?
बुरा नहीं है.
अरे बहुत अच्छा आइडिया है.
चालू तो हो गया है, अभी क्या करे, लेकिन ओपनिंग नहीं हो पाएगा क्या?
बट उधर क्राउड मत करना ओपनिंग के लिए.
नहीं, सब जूम पे ही सर.
हाँ.
ऐसे सब लॉगिन करके विश करके बाय बाय बस.
अच्छा सुन जिमित.
हाँ
वो
सर.
अभी सूरत में जो पुलिस कमिश्नर है
अहमदाबाद के सर. अहमदाबाद ट्रांसफर हो गया सर.
अरे अहमदाबाद से इधर आया है अभी.
अच्छा सर. हाँ.
भाई पटेल, वो कमिश्नर ऑफ पुलिस है सूरत. परसों मेरे से बात हुआ, मैंने तेरा नंबर दिया उसको.
हाँ सर. कॉल आ गया सर.
क्या
आ गया? कॉल आ गया सर.
कॉल आ गया?
हाँ सर, वो बता भी दिया उसको.
ओके गुड.
His fasting was the concern. तो ग्लिक्लाजाइड 2 ले रहा था, 80 मिलीग्राम का है. He wanted to reduce tablet. तो ग्लाइसिनम 160 करके आता है, एक उसको वो दिया. और he was not, metformin was not suiting. तो फिर उसने को गैस्ट्रोएंटरोलॉजिस्ट को दिखा के उसने पूरा बंद कराया था. तो उसको 250 नाइट में चालू किया है. वीकली उसको बढ़ाते जाऊंगा फोन पे. फास्टिंग वाज 150 170 ऐसा कुछ आ रहा था. पीपी वाज कंट्रोल.
जो भी है देख. मैं
Sure.
तेरा नंबर
आ गया सर. बात हो गई सर.
ओके चलो.
गुड नाइट सर.
गुड नाइट.
बाय सर. बाय राहुल. बाय जिमित भाई.
चल बाय जिमित.
गुड नाइट सर.
गुड नाइट.